Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished up the set of suspension that is from a 2023 KTM 350SXF. This suspension was set up for a vet motocross rider. The forks were updated to the JBI Spec KYB conversion kit. This kit replaces the WP XACT air cartridge setup that the bike comes with stock, and it replaces it with two new billet lugs, two new KYB damping cartridges, and of course 2 springs. The cartridges are revalved to a JBI suspension spec. In this case, it was our soft Moto spec for the vet rider. The new WP Linkage Shock was also revalved to match the fork setting we did in the forks. The stock spring rate was utilized because that is perfect for the rider weight. In this case, the stock shock was softened up a little bit on compression to make the shock more comfortable and more compliant over those small and medium-sized chatter bumps that are so commonly found on the motocross track, going in and out of corners. One thing that we really like about this new shock is the size of the free piston. That is a very awesome upgrade by the manufacturer. And we also like that all the adjusters can be done by hand or also done with a tool. So it makes for really easy and convenient adjustments of the shock. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. Thank you guys for watching.